In healthcare, administrative inefficiencies can feel like a never-ending cycle. Manual payment processes, denied claims, and billing errors take hours of staff time every week. An average clinic spends up to 20 hours a week managing payments, chasing claims, and resolving billing errors. That's the equivalent of half a full-time staff member, time and money your clinic simply can't afford to lose. The strain of manual processes often forces clinics to hire additional administrative staff, costing up to $40,000 annually. And yet, inefficiencies persist. Enter Paynova. Our platform automates manual tasks, from claims processing to payment reconciliation, saving clinics up to 20 hours every week. That's more time for your team to focus on what matters most, your patients. Paynova reduces administrative workloads, decreases billing errors, and eliminates the need for costly extra hires. With every process streamlined, your practice can save time and money while improving efficiency. Imagine reclaiming 20 hours a week. Imagine no more bottlenecks, no more headaches, and more time to focus on delivering exceptional care. Say goodbye to unnecessary admin stress. Paynova, because your time is too valuable to waste.